Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app, you should just go to settings. Sorry, not here, we go to settings. Then you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the app of Duolingo. After that, we click on force stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.